With a vision to uplift and emphasize the education sector at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong under KAAC, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, formally launched an event chaired by Richard Togby, EM of Education, on awareness campaign for quality education on Monday. The event was hosted at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat Building Conference Hall and inaugurated the event at 10 a.m. The event was chaired by Richard Togby, EM of Education, and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Nirola Phangchopi, Secretary of Education Department, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. At the event, several renowned students and social organizations like KSA, KSU, KSYC, DSU, UKYA, AASU, BSU, and many more attended the event. The campaign aims to emphasize and uplift the education sector under KAAC within the next 5 years and make Karbi Anglong one of the best districts in the field of education.
Within 5 years of Karbi Anglong result top position organizations Karbi Anglong jimankhini organizations ase organization bilakor mati aji discuss korisu aru telokor opinion loisu aru suggestion loisu telokor pora ami collective opinion selection loa pisot ami within a week education department aru organization bilakor protect block boy teachers aru SMC school managing committee bilakor interaction program koribo West Karbi Anglong, East Karbi Anglong, gotekhini block imankhini ase 11 blocks Karbi Anglong ei gotekhini block education department aru organization level loi eloke program koribo ami Karbi Anglong pora jate bhal result jate jikono school Karbi Anglong jimankhini school jikono school bilakor bhal result ahe tar karone ami চিন্তা কৰিছো।
Raju Tisu, Chairman of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Bida Singh Ingling, MLA, EMs, MSCs, and many other dignitaries of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council attended the event and made it a grand success. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.